Hey y'all, how's it going? Today, this foggy evening actually, we're going to Bubba Burgers. I haven't cooked these in a long, long time. Frozen, slap them on the griddle. Don't touch them, don't turn them, don't push down. Wait till they start to, the grease starts to bubble up. We had air fried some tater tots a couple days ago, and they weren't quite done. So I figured, hey, let's try some leftover tater tots on the griddle. See what happens. Normally, I love the air fryer. Sometimes it's just not quite done. And as with everything, don't touch it. And I have the hardest time not touching. I want to fiddle. I want to check. I want to move. I'll leave it alone. I'll do it. I can do it. I have faith in me. Okay, we got some buns. And I'm going to need some butter for those, so I'll be right back. And welcome back. I'd like to thank today's sponsors, the American Wisconsin Tourist Development Council and Bubba in the letter 3. Keep in mind I'm making all this up. I'm still waiting for the sponsors to line up at my door. It hasn't happened yet, but I know any day now there'll be a knock at the door, and it won't be a bill collector or a member of law enforcement for a change. It will be people just throwing money at me. These are looking good. I've got some brioche or burger buns. Authentic French recipe. Isn't that hoity-toity? And my lovely assistant doesn't like cheese on her burgers, but I'm going to try one with American and one with Trader Joe's shredded cheese blend, just to be different. Normally I don't get cheese either, but how can I resist? Maybe turn that side down too. A lot of crumble, which is, I don't know why. Maybe they weren't fully cooked in the air fryer. Maybe the monkey jumped up and down on the bags at the grocery. I don't know. Yeah, they've got a ways to go. Starting to get a little juice bubble up on the burgers though. They're making a move. Excuse me. Never forget the most important part of the job, Baja Ball. Good job, Baja. Burger. I was going to butter my buns, but if you saw my recent really good grilled cheese video, I dropped the bottle and the spout broke. This is a better bottle for butter, or clarified butter or ghee or whatever it is, and it was closer to the door than the butter. I can see my breath really starting to come around. Really tempting to check it, but I'm not. But even I know you don't push down And this, of course, you've got a yummy smash burger. But I wanted to do something non-smash burger today. At least it's not windy, it's just getting chilly. Okay, now they're starting to taste like potatoes. So something that I normally would have just tossed because this may rescue. We shall see. The brown is starting to come up the sides. Got to be getting close. And I happen to have some seasoning salt. Put a little bit of this on the tater. These were onion Bubba burgers, and they were half price, which is why I got them, because I can't resist a bargain. So, and honestly, I don't know how seasoned they are, because I haven't had Bubba burgers in like 15 years. But we'll find out, and I'll season it at the time, if it needs it. Don't want over-seasoned burger, which I don't put a lot. It's usually salt, pepper, maybe a little pinch of garlic powder, maybe a little Mrs. Dash, maybe a handful of oregano, a handful of basil, a handful of something. Actually, just salt, pepper, garlic for burgers. That's all you need, right? Maybe a little Mrs. Dash. Speaking of which, I think I got some. I got Mrs. Dash. Actually, it's a generic Mrs. Dash, but because I'm cheap. Let's just try a little elote on this one. Yeah. Okay, we're starting to see some juice in a couple of these. Oh, look how perfect that side is. Okay, we're going to have to start making some room for some breading. And I could show you a little more. So, let's go ahead and shake, 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 shake your groove thing. Okay, we shook our groove thing. Now I'm gonna shortcut and butter the griddle instead of the bun, just to save a minute or two. La brioche. Getting warm. And let's go ahead and add some cheese. We'll take this one and I'll try the shredded cheese on this one. What do you say? Hello, lovely sister.
Hello.
You're looking lovely.
Oh, thank you.
Want some tea?
I'll take the tea. Thank you.
Would you like some tea? No, I'll leave the tea. Tea, excellent. Timing appears to be pretty good. We'll do one at a time. Okay, I didn't want to move my burrs around, but I have to. I've got myself into a corner. There we go. Should we take a look? Okay. Just about done. About the bun. Oh, the buns are just rough. Oh, I love buns on the griddle. Love them. What? Oh, it's hot. Hot. Let's turn off this side. Actually, to save space, maybe I'll burn them inside. Nah, got it. At least the two cheesy ones out here. Oh, look at that. Okay, we'll turn this off. Okay. Now I'll figure out how to juggle all these in a sec, but in the meantime, check it out. Yummy, and my tummy. So, Bubba burgers. We'll see how they taste and see how leftover griddled, reconstituted potato round things come out. Thanks for watching again, and y'all have a good day. Bye.